Welcome to MFSQL Connector. This video is about when logging into mfiles is not responding or is throwing an error. Sometimes when you click on the button mfiles login in the installation package, it doesn't respond. If that happens, just navigate on your C drive to the users, then into the app data of the login user, then into MFSQL Vault install. In this folder, you'll find the error log as well as the Vault settings. So you can review the error log to see what is the type of errors that it's throwing. Simply delete the Vault settings XML file, and once it has been deleted, you can go back into the package, click on mfiles login, and this will bring up the login details for you and recreate the mfile settings XML file.